Love Rashmika Mandanna's eyebrows. They are nice and thick and long. She has a very nice jawline and I have chubby cheeks and a double chin. There's no way I'm going to cross 1,000 subscribers and then Hey everyone, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Gauri Gajare and on this channel I post content related to fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So do check my channel out, and if you find something that you're looking for, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So without wasting any further time, let's get started with our today's video. First things first, we have finally hit 1,000 subscribers. And I'm so happy and so grateful. Thank you so much for your support, for your love, and keep loving and supporting this way. I hope we all grow together very soon. तो आज मैं try करने वाली हूँ to recreate Rashmika Mandanna's look from the movie Animal. So the look I am referring to is from the song SATRAGA. जितने भी गाने release हुए हैं, in all the songs her look is very subtle and I love that. I hope मैं कर पाऊँ and let's get started. First things first, बाल पीछे बांध लेते हैं so that it does not come in our way. Starting with skincare. Okay, तो जो मैं रोज यूज करती हूँ वो मॉइस्चराइजर मैं लाई नहीं. I have this मिनिमलिस्ट का विटामिन B5 मॉइस्चराइजर. ये भी मैं काफी यूज कर चुकी हूँ और इसमें थोड़ा सा बचा है, तो I hope वो चल जाए.
Sometimes feel why can't I prep for things beforehand? मतलब मैं अब जाके ये सब चीजें निकाल रही हूँ बैग से, whether it be makeup or skincare. कितना टाइम वेस्ट हो जाता है यार.
I really love the texture of this moisturizer because it's not oily, it's not greasy, and at the same time it feels hydrating and I don't sweat that much. अभी winters चालू है, तो you know you need a moisturizer like this only. ऐसा भी नहीं कि it disappears into the skin right away, but you feel hydrated. And always make sure कि आप makeup लगाने से पहले you prep your skin properly. Don't apply makeup directly on your skin if you want to avoid unnecessary acne, pimples and breakout. I never apply makeup directly on my skin. So I have applied the moisturizer. I will go ahead and apply my sunscreen a little bit. So this is my HelioCare 360-degree color gel oil-free sunscreen. It has this watery consistency. I of course literally use it every single day. As you can see, there's dark spots and acne marks. So just to conceal them a little bit, I have to apply makeup. But ever since I've started using this tinted moisturizer, things are good because it's very lightweight यार. You don't feel like you've applied anything. इससे पहले मैं minimalist का use करती थी. I think I might switch to that again for a while. थोड़े time के लिए, जब तक winters है तब तक, क्योंकि I feel ये वाला जो sunscreen है ना, it is a little drying. No doubt it adds that dewiness on your face. Winters के लिए you need a thicker version. As in when we continue to grow, I'll conduct a Q&A soon just to have a more chit-chatty session, to have more fun. This sunscreen is everything. See? Nothing. Look at the glow that the sunscreen has added. And for today's look, I'm going to keep it extremely simple. On my nose and around the nose, I'll apply primer. So this is Insight 3-in-1 primer. It does blur those pores and it gives a smooth canvas for makeup. That is what we want. मेकअप एकदम मक्खन की तरह लग जाता है इसके बाद. If you want your makeup to last long and if you're wearing your makeup for entire day, तो makeup लगाने से पहले primer लगा लो because it creates a barrier between your skin and the makeup. So starting with the routine, the very first product you guys must have known by now. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer and I am in the shade कैरमेल. इतना जल्दी मेरा कोई भी मेकअप प्रोडक्ट खत्म नहीं हुआ है कभी, जितने जल्दी ये कंसीलर के बॉटल्स खत्म हुए हैं. You don't even feel like you've applied anything, and that is the best part of it. And I kind of use it every day for work. So now to blend it.
अभी तो निकाल के रखा था यार. हाँ.
I will blend it with this beauty blender, which I need to clean. Swiss Beauty ka makeup fixer spray with aloe vera gel and vitamin E. It kind of makes the makeup last really long, and also it adds a dewy finish. I was aiming for a target of 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2023. The beginning of November, my subscriber count was kind of stuck and I was so disheartened. I was like, ek hi mahina bacha hai. There's no way I'm going to cross 1,000 subscribers. I had literally manifested this target. मैंने लिख के रखा था ये. I was working towards it every single day. And then my subscriber count just spiked, touch wood. And before even starting December, this channel hit 1,000 subscribers. Manifestation is real. So I am done using the concealer, and how perfectly this has concealed my dark spots. Going ahead with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 220 Natural Beige. I'll take just teeny tiny amount of it. I am not going to go with it all over my face, just the dark spot and under eyes.
How do I keep losing out on my beauty blender? इतनी सारी चीजें रखी है ना साइड में, मुझे दिख ही नहीं रहा कुछ क्या क्या है क्या क्या नहीं.
Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 220 Natural Beige. So I am done with the compact. Now we'll go ahead with the eye look first. So I'll be using this Miss Claire eyeshadow palette. I have also made a complete video on it, but I think I should go ahead and apply kajal first. सिर्फ waterline पे. I will apply kajal thoda sa on my eyelid also as an eyeliner, and then I will smudge it a little bit to give it the look that we're aiming for. And then we'll smudge this. This is what I was going for. I'll quickly do that on the other eye and get back. And I am back. This is exactly what I was trying to do. Abhi I will apply a very subtle eyeshadow. This is a very beginner friendly and universal palette. So I am going for this brown one. मैं हाथ से ही लगा लूँगी इसे. I feel मुझे eyeshadow लगाने के बाद स्मच करना चाहिए था eyeliner, क्योंकि वो स्मच किया हुआ इफेक्ट पूरा ढक चुका है. So I'll use the kajal and smudge it again. ऐसे ही तो हम सब सीखते हैं. By the way, this kajal is Color Bar Mesmerize Kajal in the shade Black 001. Take the same shade again. I don't know दिख भी रहा है कि नहीं. I think it's the lighting. We'll go ahead and shape our eyebrows. It is Maybelline Define and Brow Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Natural Brown.
इसका सब भट चुका है और इसमें एकदम इतना सा चिंटू सा प्रोडक्ट बचा है.
I'll have to restock this before it's too late. Just by brushing the brows, it looks so perfect. I'll brush them down, fill them in, and then I'll again brush it so that the product is evenly distributed. And I love Rashmika Mandanna's eyebrows. They are nice and thick and long. I think brows are very close enough. So I'll quickly do the other brow and get back. We'll go ahead and apply very light blush that gives a very natural look. I will go ahead with Just Herb's Lip and Cheek Tint. I'll just take this much. बस मैं इतना ही लगाऊंगी. थोड़ा सा नाक पे भी लगाऊंगी मैं. मेरी नाक थोड़ी ब्रॉड है, तो I'll try to contour it a little bit. For that, I will use this contour palette, Faraz Cosmetics. Actually, my sister, my cousin had brought this from Dubai. For contouring, I'll use this shade. Contouring के तो काम आ जाए यार ये brush. This is absolutely useless. Just to give a little shape to my nose. Now we're done. I'll use it to contour the cheeks as well. Go ahead and use my foundation brush. This is from Bronson Professional. इसको मैं ऐसे पकड़ूंगी ताकि एक straight line में दिखे. I'll go ahead and contour some over here as well because she has a very nice jawline and I have chubby cheeks and a double chin. So for my lips, I'll be using this Maybelline New York. I don't know the entire name of it, but I'll link below. A creamy matte lipstick in the shade 657 Nude Nuance. Look at this. कितना टाइम हो गया ये लिपस्टिक लगाए हुए. नाउ आई फील कहाँ थी ये. एक्चुअली मैंने मम्मी को दे दी थी. There's a little bit बिंदी. Now मेरे पास रेड बिंदी तो है नहीं. Red lipstick जिंदाबाद. For red lipstick I have this My Glam lit lipstick. So बिंदी भी ना एकदम छोटू सी है. Perfect. I'll quickly wear the outfit and be right back. So I am back. I did not have a red ओढ़नी तो मैंने ये क्रीम कलर की ओढ़नी ले ली. So we will do the hair now. Her hairstyle was a half pony. Hair is a little messy, so I will try to do it that way. And yes, one more thing, मैं jewelry तो भूल ही गई. I'll use what I have. This is so मैंने jewelry पहन ली है and we are done with the look. I hope we are close enough थोड़ा सा. So this is it for today, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it and I personally enjoyed making it. So do give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also follow me on my Instagram account. We have a lot of fun there. So join the gang and I will see you in my future videos. Bye bye. Take care.